It is time to do a layered bob to give the hair some body and some volume. So the very first thing you're going to see me do is take a center section down the center of the back, two A-line sections, and basically cut in my outline. I'm cutting in that guide right there, which is going to be the outline for the rest of the haircut. Once I've completed cutting the outline, then at that point we can start to address the layering. So first things first, let's establish the outline. Let's cut the length all the way around the haircut. You can see I'm combing that hair down, holding the hair against the neck with my hand so the hair doesn't move, and then establishing that outline. Alright, so I've completed the outline on the left side. It is now time to do the outline on the right side. Same exact thing. I'm just going to keep taking sections, working my way up the head, and basically combing that hair straight down and using the underneath section as my guide. Once I've completed the outline on both sides, we will then dive into the layers. Alright, so now we are diving into the layers. You can see I've got a center section in the back, combing it straight back and cutting in those layers. These layers are going to give the hair a very full, thick appearance. By cutting in these layers, you're lightening up the interior, which is going to give it a lot of body. If you leave it one length hair is the heaviest hair. Without cutting anything lighter into the hair and you just leaving it one length, that's as heavy as you can leave it. So by leaving one length hair, it's going to be heavier, it's going to hang flatter. If you want to create some body, you're just going to want to lighten up the inside. You're going to create the length like a bob, like we just got done cutting that bob outline, but then you're going to go through the interior and lighten up the interior with layers so that the hair, so basically the hair has a more lighter, fluffy, fuller look. Alright, so we obviously cut the layers on the left side. Now it is time to cut the layers on the right side. You can see I'm going through. Once we've got these layers all done, we will wrap up the haircut. Alright, so check out these layers. Look how full and thick it makes the hair look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below. Check out those layers again. I hope you guys subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much again for watching.